Hi, today I'm gonna open one of these toy mini brands series 2. I know these are like these are not new anymore, but I got like a bag of them on sale for a while ago, so that's why I have so many right now of the older versions. I haven't had many of these like toy mini brands. Okay. Okay. These, what's it? It's a Yo-Yo Siva head. Okay. I think I got one that was gold once. Okay. And here's the list. That's very okay. It's very long, super long. I have got like 3 Jojo Siva things in the, so I guess it's very popular in Sweden. We don't know who she is more than things on YouTube, but you know, so I'm not sure. Ooh, it's golden rainbow corns. Okay, well, it's cute. I guess the price tag with the like a wings and a unicorn. I don't know. Oh, okay, it's cute. At least like I really don't like when they're like empty cartons like this. It's well, they can be cute for like when you play like store, when kids play like stores or something, but it should be something in it, because these are not very, it's not very cheap, even on sale. Oh, another one. I like these. These are like cute because I like the surprise toys. So these are cute, and they are popular in Sweden. Like all these surprise rainbow corns. Rainbow. It says rainbow corns. I don't know. I like that I got one. Oh, one regular. Oh, that's cute. And the last one. Oh, it's a Nickelodeon Rugrats doll. I know Rugrats was like from when I was a kid, but I haven't seen much of it actually. Okay, I got it kind of nice things. I like the rainbow corns with wings and everything. Super cute. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.